Welcome to ELX News Brief. I'm Jim Wallery. This is our final installment of our in-depth, multi-part series on coping with out-of-control data centers and the plight of the IT administrators. Today, we'll be investigating Microsoft's Windows Server 2008. To bring the story, we'll go to our Microsoft Inside Man, Richio Aikawa, who brings us this report from sunny Seattle. Hi, Richio.
I'm here on the Microsoft campus in Redmond, Washington, where earlier this year Microsoft launched its latest Windows Server operating system, Windows Server 2008. This new OS delivers new functionality and improvements, including built-in web technologies, security and performance improvements, enhancements in high availability and server management, and a new hypervisor-based virtualization technology called Hyper-V that's included with Windows Server 2008. It may be raining here in the Pacific Northwest, but it's clear why eWeek says Windows Server 2008 is Microsoft's leanest, meanest yet, and InfoWorld calls Windows Server 2008 a must-upgrade OS. A recent Computer World survey found that 63% of companies were planning to upgrade within a year to Windows Server 2008. The leading types of servers targeted to run Windows Server 2008 include application servers, Active Directory domain controllers, and web and Hyper-V servers. Customers like Continental Airlines are saying, "We saw some significant improvements being designed into Windows Server 2008. Having a chance to be an early adopter was a no-brainer." Upgrading to Windows Server 2008 is just that, a no-brainer. Just like it is for me to come in out of the rain. Reporting from the campus of Microsoft, this has been Richio Aikawa. Back to you, Jim.
And now to Bill Fields, our senior athletic supporter, reporting live from friendly Jersey City, New Jersey, bringing us the latest from the Windows Server 2008 Tennis Cup. Bill?
Thanks, Jim. I'm here at the Windows Server 2008 Solution Cup here in beautiful downtown Jersey City. My inside sources say that Emulex has worked closely with Microsoft to ensure that its products not only support Windows Server 2008, but take full advantage of its many new features, and I'm here to serve up Emulex's 3 key differentiators. My sources here tell me that virtualization with Hyper-V is one of the key benefits of Windows Server 2008, and Emulex is well positioned with support for a variety of virtualization scenarios. Customers who want clustering, support for multipathing through MPIO, or Emulex NPIV technology with HP Anywhere 4.0 are assured a fully supportable, interoperable solution. I had one IT administrator comment that Emulex is the only connectivity vendor with a Pro Management Pack, giving administrators a way to respond to storage-related events, alerting customers about excessive I/O rates across the LightPulse adapter, and allowing customers to take corrective actions. This is big news, Jim. Tensions are high at corporations as they tighten their IT belts, placing greater emphasis on administrator efficiency. I tell you, the tension is so high, if it were a racket, I could knock a tennis ball right out of this sports center. The good news, though, is that Emulex has demonstrated they can improve administrator efficiency. Emulex has the most scalable deployment with Autopilot Installer, allowing customers to install across servers in seconds, to automate using scripting, and to pre-install software. And HP Anywhere offers a scalable, centralized administration of Emulex adapters. Using HP Anywhere's CLI, administrators can create Microsoft Windows Server 2008 PowerShell scripts, saving hours on repetitive tasks. From a management perspective, this is game, set, and match in favor of Emulex. And unlike my serves, Emulex just works. Emulex connectivity solutions are highly reliable with over 6 million ports installed and over 30% greater MTBF. Emulex offers robust interoperability. You know, it reminds me of the Baddeley twins, the 1893 Wimbledon tennis double champions. I mean, these two work so well together, their competition did not have a chance. Interoperability aside though, Emulex has also pushed the performance envelope in Windows Server 2008 environments. You thought Andy Roddick's 155-mile-an-hour serve at the 2004 Davis Cup was fast? Wait till you experience Emulex performance. Here is how Emulex blows the competition away. Support for MSIX improves host CPU utilization, I/O scalability and application performance, while with greater CPU effectiveness, the data center administrator can do more with less servers, extend IT budgets, and scale to accommodate ever-increasing business demands. Not only can Emulex serve, but they have a killer backhand. So you see, Jim, focusing on virtualization, scalable management, and just work performance, plus Emulex's partnership with Microsoft, the data center administrator cannot lose. It's a winning combination, and I can't wait to see what they do next. We're going to keep our eye on Emulex.
Well, this brings us to the close of our program. For ELX News, this has been Jim Wallery. We wish you happy selling.
Is your data center not performing? When you come in after the weekend and you're not feeling well, does anyone say to you, sounds like someone has a case of the Mondays? Even with plenty of fiber, does your data center seem not quite regular? Well then, you should try Emulex Fiber Solutions with Windows Server 2008. It'll perk your data center right up with 100 times the daily recommended allowance of performance, virtualization, and management. Want to learn more? Visit the Emulex Windows Server 2008 solution site.